Hi, this is Danife Oliveros, and I will be presenting Design System Interfaces for CMSC 206 Database Management Systems. Design System Interfaces. In large and complex environments, you frequently encounter client server or web database applications that must interface with different types of systems, which reside either on the mainframe or on different client server computing platforms. Examples of this will be SAP, Oracle, OneKey, and Nucleus 360, wherein this database applications interface with their clients' databases or their clients' other software programs. Now, depending on the technology architecture that is currently in place in the enterprise, the client server system might have to create some files that at certain point in time during the day will be uploaded to the mainframe for further processing. The reverse might also be true. Files might be downloaded from the mainframe system for further processing by the client server system. Performance issues might constrain the designers to resorting to some form of batch processing or database replication using a gateway middleware. Now, a middleware is a kind of a software that links programs running on different platforms and transmitting messages and data. In exact, it is extending the computing capability of an existing mature computer system, providing high speed native access to multiple databases so performance is improved. In which, since it's providing a high speed native access, it causes the application logic in business rules to achieve database independence. An example of this will be Oracle again, and in exact, it will be Oracle API Gateway, which is a standards based, policy driven, standalone API security and management solution that enables organizations to securely and rapidly adopt cloud, mobile, and SOA services by bridging the gaps in managing the interactions between all relevant systems. For the interface design specifications, if interfaces must be constructed between the client server application software and the other systems, then be sure to review the initial interface strategy that was developed during the analysis phase, in which it should be able to answer the question, can new information cause a change of strategy? The other guidelines will be 1. Does a need exist for database middleware software that allows the client server or web system to access files and databases that reside on a mainframe platform on a different client server platform, such as from Unix to an Intel based computer platform? 2. Did the estimated volume of data for the interface change since the last development phase? Was the potentially large volume of data peak and low variations accounted for based on daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly processing cycles? What about the estimated volume of data growth figures per unit of time? Third, did the frequency, like hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or on demand at which the interface must be processed changed? Fourth, will some form of file reconciliation mechanism exist between the system donor and the system receiver? Fifth, does a need exist for some recovery or restart mechanism if the batch interface program events right in the middle of the job? What about the checkpoints or rerun procedures? Sixth, must security measures be enforced to prevent unauthorized access to or submissions of the batch interfaces, files, or programs? And that will be all for the database or design system interfaces. Next will be the design the ad hoc report and query environment. Thank you very much.